So here we are coming up to the La Siesta roundabout. Got La Jolla on the right hand side, or the end of La Jolla, as it meets La Siesta by the big red Mino sign, and the Grand China restaurant is there. And it's not too far now, we'll get to the Mercadona supermarket, and we're passing St. Louis on the right, St. Louis Lakeside on the left. Is the lake pink today, can we see? I think it does look quite pink actually today.
Yeah.
It looks pinker sometimes more than other times. Yeah, we're going this first gate.
Hola,
Hola!
and welcome to the channel Between the Lakes with Mike and Yvonne.
Now the object today is to buy 15 fruit and veg items from our favourite supermarket in Spain. You'll see what it is behind. We're not giving out away, are we?
No.
Mercadona. Fantastic place. It is our supermarket of choice. But what we're going to do is we're going to compare 15 fruit and veg items from Mercadona to the market in Torrevieja. It could be any market actually, to be honest. The Friday Market Torrevieja, or the Guadamar Market, or the Lemon Tree Market. They're all very, very excellent at prices. So we're just going to show you the difference between what you pay in a supermarket, which is a very good supermarket, a very cheap supermarket, but not as cheap as what you're going to get down at the markets in Guadamar and Lemon Tree and the Friday Torrevieja Market.
But we've got to bear in mind that we're only on our bikes, so we have to carry it home. We haven't got a car, so no large quantities.
Come on then, let's see how we crack on.
These are mandarins. Mandarins, tangerines, same sort of thing.
Yeah, oh, so we'll get a kilo.
Kilo of those.
Oh, they look nice, don't they?
They look nice, don't they? Right, we'll start with those then.
A kilo of mandarins.
Red apples. The Royal Galas. It says
Royal Galas, are they?
It says Royal Gala on them.
Okay, 4 Royal Gala apples.
There you go. Shall we just get 2?
Yeah.
Let's get 2. I
How
don't
much
know
are
how
they?
much.
We'll see what they are on the market per kilo.
Yeah.
That's all that matters really, isn't it? It doesn't really matter how many you buy, but we're getting the prices, so...
Right, potatoes. These are new potatoes. A kilo. We'll have to wait until we get the receipt.
Yeah.
Confirm the price on those.
Okay.
Onions. I'm not sure which is the price on these.
So we'll find out, won't we?
But
We'll find out quickly.
there's none to weigh out, so we'll have to get
Three big onions.
3 big onions.
Tomatoes.
These look like the vine tomatoes. They're $1.99 a kilo.
Right, so 3 tomatoes. Cracking tomatoes then.
$2.20 a kilo. So that one's 78 cents.
Moving on swiftly then.
These are 1,000 grams for 109, or 500 grams for 85.
What do you think? What's the best value?
Best value is get the big bag.
Yeah, that's fine then. Get the big
Kilo.
bag. Yeah, we can manage them.
Romana lettuce.
Romana lettuce. Yep.
$1.55.
There's 2 there, isn't there?
There's 2, yeah.
Yeah, 2 for 1.55.
2 for
And
$1.55.
they're quite sizey ones, aren't they?
Yes.
Lemons.
I'll get 2 lemons then.
Yeah.
Fancy some strawberries?
Yes, I do. Is it?
$6.99 a kilo. And there's 400.
400 grams is great because we could get them to give us 400 grams.
That's to weigh them out.
Yeah.
500 grams of mushrooms.
500 grams mushrooms.
$5.28 a kilo.
Yeah, okay.
Right, broccoli. That looks like it's been popular. It's all gone.
Yeah, it's all gone. Last one.
Unless he's bringing some more out. $2.49 a kilo. I need a bag. Yeah. That's $1.99.
1 cauliflower.
Oh,
Okay.
I'm going to get a red pepper. We'll just get one. One big one. $2.49.
Right. Right, so we need to pay down the other end, don't we?
Yeah. 15.
Is it 15?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
All right, that's great then. So this is what we got this morning, and the next time we see you we'll be at Torrevieja Friday Market and we'll get the same 15 items down there. Anything to add?
No.
Do you think there's any anomalies?
Well, we'll see when we've been down there.
Right, so we'll see you down at the market soon. Okay, so here we are at Torrevieja's Friday Market.
Let's see how much we can pay for the same 15 items that we bought at the supermarket.
Right, come on, let's go.
Let's go. I'm going to get 3 onions, good size onions.
How much are these? 79 cents?
79 a kilo
Right.
for the onions. So I'll get 3 of those.
So you're getting onions and carrots.
Onions and carrots.
Kilo of carrots, 3 onions.
Venderla. 2, 5, 15, 20, ¿vale?
Gracias.
Sí.
That one. Gonna have 2 bananas,
2 bananas.
99 a kilo. Gracias. They were 99 a kilo.
Yeah.
Bought 2. And I've got 4.50 change. Medio, por favor.
Vale, tienes más, pero unos 50, ¿vale? Gracias.
Gracias.
Perfecto.
Got the mushrooms, half a kilo.
Half a kilo. You got some change as well then. Did you give him
Give
150?
him 2.
Oh, you gave him 2. So you got 50 change.
150 a half a kilo.
Right, excellent. 3 tomatoes.
3 tomatoes there. It's like what we got in the supermarket.
Yeah, just same, aren't they?
95.
195 a kilo.
Kilo.
1,10. 110.
110, 195 a kilo.
110, 195 a kilo.
There's some Royal Gala apples here, so I'm going to get 4 of these. These look nice.
What do we get? 4 gala apples?
4
at the
Gala apples.
Supermarket.
129 a kilo.
Dos sides.
Gracias.
5, 2,5.
That's the 4 apples. 110. Don't know how many I'd get for a kilo.
I think 4 or 5. Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you.
No, it'll be more than that. In that other bag, we got about 10 or 12.
Okay.
But
I think they were a bit smaller than
yeah.
them though. I think they're a bit bigger.
6. I'm going to have to ask him to weigh it.
Is it?
A kilo, please. Gracias.
And we got some lemons here at 60 cents a kilo, I presume.
Yeah,
You're going to buy 2.
right, 2.
Están negras ya, te tienes empolado.
Gracias.
So that cost how much?
20 cents.
20 cents. That's more like, isn't it?
Yeah. I'm going to try and get a kilo.
This is a very busy store.
6 kilos for €3.
870. That's the one.
Gracias.
Gracias.
Uno kilo patatas.
Kilo patatas.
50 cents.
50 cents for the kilo.
I'm going to get one of these red peppers because they look nice. €2 a kilo.
It's about the same size as the one you got
About the same
Mercadona.
size.
You get the same size, don't you? That's about right, isn't it?
Yeah. A bit bigger.
I want it slightly bigger.
That a bit bigger. That one. That
Yeah, it
one's a
looks
bit
more
bigger.
like that one,
Yeah.
actually, doesn't it?
Get that
If I
one.
remember rightly. No, okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So that was 60.
60.
60.
That's good, isn't it? 60 for a nice big red pepper. It's a big one as well, isn't it?
Big one, yeah.
Same size as Mercadona, though.
Yeah. Yes. Gracias. Yeah, so that cost €1. We only bought one because it's about twice the size to the two that we got in
Right.
Mercadona.
We'd have to weigh it, wouldn't we, to see if it were, see what the
But there were
comparison
no
was.
weight on the other one.
No. Well,
But they were small.
have we eaten them?
We've eaten them.
Oh.
So we can't weigh them. I'll get two of these.
So are these 180?
It's 180 a kilo. Gracias. So 20 cents change, so that was 80.
80.
And 180 a kilo.
Yeah, fair enough.
Well, we've got 12 of the 15 items.
We've got 12 and we need 3. Which 3 do we need?
We need cauliflower, broccoli and strawberries.
Now, I saw the strawberries and they look to be, was it €6 a kilo?
€6, no, not for a kilo, for
400 grams.
100 grams.
And that's what we bought at Mercadona, isn't it? We bought 400 grams. But we haven't seen a lot of strawberries, have we?
We think it must be end of season.
Yeah.
And it depends on the weather as well that they've had, as to how they grow and how many they have.
So there we go. We're cupping up now, are we?
Bring up to try and get rid of some of this change. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 92, 94, 96, 98. That's €5. So I'm going to go buy some strawberries.
Are you going to buy some strawberries?
I'm going to buy some strawberries. I think they've reduced them from 6 to 5.
Okay, well, let's see if it's clear. Is it clear? So, 400 grams.
400 grams, just like we bought in the supermarket.
Yeah.
How
Yeah.
much?
How much?
Cinco.
Cinco.
€5.
Okay.
2, 3, 4, 2, 4, 6, 8. Gracias.
Okay, gracias.
Gracias. Yeah, yeah. Very good.
Three, how much?
40 cents.
340. Yeah. Okay.
3. Gracias.
Gracias.
Oops. Cauliflower, please, 250.
Sí.
See? See? Gracias.
Right. You got it. So we got it all now.
Yeah, all done?
All done, is it?
Yeah. I've just got to carry it all home now.
Well, we got it home and here it is. Out of the 15 items in terms of comparing like for like, 13 were just about the same and just 2 were anomalies.
The first being the cucumbers. In Mercadona we bought a Dutch cucumber which wasn't available at the market. So we had to go for the nearest thing, which were the Spanish cucumbers, of which we bought 2 because they were smaller than the Dutch.
The price per kilo was €180 for the Spanish at the market and €220 for the Dutch at Mercadona.
The second one was the Romana lettuce. The pack we got at Mercadona contained 2 smaller lettuce, and the one that we bought on the market had just 1 big one in the packet, so we thought that would be equal.
The price was €155 at Mercadona and just €1 at the market.
The surprises are
The strawberries and the broccoli were more expensive at the Friday market. We think that in the case of the strawberries, they're now out of season and have increased in cost considerably since we bought at Mercadona 2 weeks ago.
4 months ago we bought strawberries at the market for $3.99 a kilo. So that same 400 grams would only be 160.
The same may be said of the broccoli, but we are not entirely sure. Any ideas will be welcome in the comments.
We were amazed by the difference in price with the potatoes, mushrooms and the lemons.
Yeah, the potatoes $2.45 at Mercadona per kilo and only 50 cents per kilo at the market.
Mushrooms €5.28 per kilo at Mercadona and only €3 per kilo in the market.
Lemons $2.65 a kilo at Mercadona and only 60 cents per kilo at the market.
So taking all that into consideration, the totals are as follows.
The Mercadona total was €24.24 and the Friday market total was €21.40, which represents a win for the Friday market, but not by as much as we thought, only €2.84, which is just over 10%.
If we take out the strawberries as we deemed them unfair, the total difference would be Mercadona €21.45, Friday market €16.40. So the difference would be €5.05, which is about 23%.
Well, thanks for making it to the end. It's been a long one, and I hope we've opened your eyes to the brilliance of the markets in this area. Not just the Torrevieja Friday Market, but also the market at Guadamar, the one at Lemon Tree, and all the other markets in the area. They really are excellent value for money, so give them a go. And on that note, it's time to wrap the video up. So, it's a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video, thumbs down if you haven't enjoyed the video. Please subscribe if you haven't done so already.
Because it's free.
And don't forget to hit that notification bell.
3,
2, 1.
Bing!
Adios.
Right then, what we're having for tea? With some lettuce.
Cabbages.
With no cabbages. We can have some salad.